right, everybody. Sorry about I missed a day here. Got a little busy, or a day or two. I'm not sure how long it's been since I last posted. The days are blending in. So we're gonna go over first just a recap of the weekly analysis, which went wrong. Which, if you remember, in that weekly, if not, go back and watch it. I can delete that. Oh, and that. If you go back and watch it, I said that this looks like that it can keep on going up, but we have to watch it. We did catch a sale, and I believe you've seen that on the next video of the daily recap where we made money. I think we made 2% on that 150K account, which is about 3K. And then today, the narrative has been bullish, but also yesterday, we took a loss on that 150K account, but that you guys didn't see. That was a 2% loss. So what we earned on, I think that was Monday, we lost. That was 2%, and 2% of 150K, of course, is $3,000. So, and after that, we were back at, I believe we're at 151,000. So we're still positive on that account. But I also, side note, Top Step X is, I think we're coming up on the ending of them giving out 50K accounts for $19 where they're giving you discounts. The way that this works, or I would do it with futures, you don't have to do 150K accounts. I mean, honestly, I probably shouldn't have did it either. You could just do 50K accounts and keep piling them on or keep combining them. Because right now they're $19 with Top Step X. Cheap as hell. I mean, of course, you still got to pay the $150 fee to activate your Express account. But you can buy, I think they set up to 10 50K accounts, $19 each. That is crazy. That's crazy cheap, especially coming from Forex where, you know, FTMO or like the funded trader of some sort, you wanted a 50K account, you were paying $350, $400 for a 50K account. And here you're paying 19. So that's absurd. That's crazy. So that's what I ended up doing today. I stayed away from the 150K account today. I wanted to let it breathe and see how today was going to play out. And I have this high marked on the daily because that's what we're aiming for, essentially. As we kept going up, I was like, oh, we're about to take out this high and make new highs. So that's the plan for this. But I want to pull up. I should have had this up before I started this recording. But I want to pull up the Top Step X platform. All right. So the 150K account, like I said, we hit that daily loss limit, or my personal daily loss limit. And let's go. Let's move this over here, because now the rest of the week may look a little different, right? So I think I bought 4 50K accounts just to buy it and trade for today. I traded on all of them today, which I'm not going to go over every single trade, but you can see the profit and loss up there. So, you know, I actually took the actual trades. So we're up 1,400. Could have been a lot more, but we stop it because we don't want our best day to equal up 50% of our total profit, because they add more to the back end with Top Step if that happens. So we stop it right before 1,500. I think one of them I went over by like maybe $50, and they're gonna probably add like 600 to the end of it. Like, oh yeah, let's add $600 to the end for you. But that's one. That's 986. Let's go to the other one, and you see 1,400 there. 165. We got 937. That's 1,433 that were up in profit. And this message pops up. This is part of the brackets. This is another 50K account temporarily deactivated. Personal daily profit target got hit. So, and that was 1,500, but you see price bursted up and gave me a little extra. And this is where they may add more to the back end and be like, yeah, you're going to have to make 600 extra just because you went over $77 for this. But that's 4 accounts that's already halfway done. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. So by the end of this week, the goal is to have all of these done for the most part. Every single account that we see, the 150K and all four of these 50K accounts. I may get more 50K accounts just to keep piling them on and passing them. But that's the goal. But you see that we're up halfway on 4 accounts. And like I said, we hit our 2% loss, our daily loss on the 150K account. So we're down. We were up, I think, like 154, 155 on that account. And now we're way down. Now we're like at 152K with that, 151 and like 700 or whatever it is. But that's not an issue. We can get that back fairly quickly. I'm not too worried about that one. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a recap of all of this. But if you are watching and you want to take advantage of cheap accounts, and by the way, please already have a strategy or something that you have that you can trade. And even if you don't, the monthly, even if you buy these accounts, the monthly will stay at $19 until you actually pass it, right? So you don't have to worry about the price fluctuating again. It'll be, the monthly is $19, which isn't bad because the monthly is normally $50 because that's how much the 50K accounts is normally a month. So that's a huge discount, right? You can have 2 of them for the price of 1. I would recommend, at least if you have $100, get 4 of them. Get 4 of them like I did here and just pass them. And you can use each one. You can have 2 of them where you're like, hey, I'm doing nothing but setups here. The other 2, you can scalp more if you wanted to. It all depends on you and how you want to trade. But on the 4 accounts, now we are up $6,000 for the day. Besides the 3K we lost on the 150K accounts, so let's say 3K up for the day. And we're up completely on firm accounts, that is for sure. And that's pretty much it, man. So I just want to catch up with all of you and at least post a video before I forget and months go by and I have not posted a video at all. But hopefully this helps. You guys have a great day and happy trading.